In this video, we're going to begin to import data into RETScreen Expert for performance analysis. We'll proceed to the Data tab, in which we see the options for importing data. We will use the user-defined Import from File option to import data from a spreadsheet previously created. The dialog box presents us with a file location, and here we find our building number 43 raw data. So we click Open, and RETScreen proceeds to open the file and examine the data that's in there. Long and the short of this one is, if you don't see any red lettering on the screen, you're probably in a reasonably good shape. RETScreen has interpreted the first column to be the end date of the data, and the second column to be user-defined data. We do have actually some units and some descriptions in here, which in the next step we'll be able to define further. We will call our table electricity, just for completeness. This is going to create a table in the Data tab. We can have multiple tables, one for natural gas, one for electricity, even for water for that matter. So we'll label this one electricity, and we're going to hit the green check at the bottom, and our RETScreen takes a look at our data and says, all right, you have some data here, you need to label it. So we're going to label it as electricity, which was actually what we had at the top of the column. The units are kilowatt hours. I like to set the decimals to 0 in this case, so I don't have decimals. And the aggregation method is specified here, which means if we have monthly data and we aggregate to a year, what's it going to do? In this case, it's going to sum it, and that's the most common form of aggregation. I'm going to go ahead and hit the green OK. And RETScreen creates a table for us now with begin date, end date, duration, and our electricity consumption data.